surpassed the Harley. HHG, nice. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh, listen to that. Oh, when I get closer, just listen to it. But can he filter through traffic like Motorcycle? That is probably just a little bit wider than my bike. We're good. Oh, listen to him, bike. Nice. We get to go in the motorbike, in the bus lane. Woohoo! Yes, this is what you buy a motorbike for, to go in the bus lane. As a car driver, I hate the fact that there's bus lanes. They just take up more space of the road, means there's less place to drive. But as a motorbike rider, I'm loving bus lanes. Smelling the exhaust from his bike is actually intoxicating. Delicious. Definitely need to get a Harley. Harley is my next bike. Nice bike. Pardon? Yeah, it's good day for it, isn't it? Yeah. Going anywhere today? Oh, good trip then. Keep it that way. Yeah. You're on it. Pardon? Oh, it will be, yeah. Saltire Cycles, look at their bike. Saltire Cycles just here, look at their bikes. Anyway, have a good day. New friend. See, all bikers are friends. Ooh, look at that cool bike. Right, cool, a bullet. So that is, that's awesome. Oh, are we closed? Nope, just really quiet. Da, 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 da. Ooh, oh, that's cool. Ooh. How does that look? Oh, that feels. Oh, so nice. Ooh. Oh, so nice. Oh, but look at the green. The actual bobber. Look at that. Oh, I like this. That's a wee bit different. Oh, look at these. Oh, it just feels like it's so easy. Anyway, here to look at the FTR. Oh, you bobbers. So sexy. And then what's that? The Dark Chief. Right, FTR Carbon Edition. £14,500. That looks cool. Then save £500 for the FTR Sport. Only £500. X demo, new. Go for the X demo. And then for only 9,000. Oh no, 10,000 for a used rally one. That is cool. Do like that. And then FTR S for 10,000 as well. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I like this as well. Carbon R. That's cool. Ooh, that's commanding position. Oh, I like that. I like that. Feet are quite tucked behind, actually, surprisingly. Quite a tight angle for the ankle. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. Oh, look at those tires. Oh, sticky rubber. And then this one with S&S. That looks cool. Very interesting tire in that one. A lot higher. Oh my goodness. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, but good. That's nice. With a little bit of fly screen. Nice instrument gauge cluster there. Looks like the brake fluid could definitely be topped up. Ooh, that's quite high. That is quite high. But I suppose it's meant to be a rally. Oh, cool. And then that one. Ooh. Oh, if I was got to guess, I'd pay the extra 500 quid for the X-Demo Carbon. That's cool. Love it. Love it. I think that's going to have to go in the bike garage as well. That's cool. But the one with S&S exhaust, that's cool. Ooh. Gold. Like that. Nice. Oh, 116, look at that. Ooh. Oh, it's just like bike porn in here. Oh, look at this. Look. I do love these mutts. Under £4 grand. Look at how beautiful this mutt is. Oh, just feels like it's so easy to ride, so light. Knees up nice and high. Oh, awesome bike. Love the mutts. Love it. Ooh, for panniers. Cool. Ooh. Bobber is definitely one of my favourite. But then here's the bobber with the higher up handlebars, more of a fly screen, and a more comfort seat. Oh, that tickles me. And then foot forward. This is a happy place. But although that's definitely more comfortable, is it the cooler? Fix that. Is this one the cooler? I do like that. I think the lower down green one is cooler. Ooh. Choices. Bike number 2. And then downstairs at Saltire Cycles, you've got all the other stuff. Royal Enfield Interceptor, love it. That one, the classic 350. Look at that instrument gauge there. Loving that. Loving the red stripe, the double red stripe. That looks so good. Then there's the Meteor 350 with a pannier at the back. Look at that lovely engine. Is it a single? Yeah, it's a single there, single cylinder. Oh, a lot of cool. A lot of cool here. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, shiny. Oh, look at how shiny that is for 4,600. Bargain, absolute bargain. Ooh, black and silver, super, no, yeah, it's a super meteor. It's a 650. Beautiful. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, there's the classic again. Looks like such a big bike. Wow, it's busy in here. As in busy with bikes. look at their camo. The Himalayan camo coloured. Cool. £5 for the Himalayan. Glacier blue, like it. Whew. Yeah. Oh, there's a Yami XSR 900 for 7.5 in black with the silver. Like it. These are Super Dukes. Super Dukes. That looks mental. Ooh, Triumph Bonneville. £10 for T. Nice. T120. Ooh. Suzuki. BMW. What BMW is this? Oh, it's a G310. I like the business. What else have we got? More KTMs. Lots of KTMs. And a Yami YZF-R1. Whew. Ooh, look at that. Kawasaki 1400. Cool. Yeah. Oh, £4.5, 4,200. Ooh. In all black. That is cool. Ooh, gold one. Oh, no, orangey. I like that. Nice. Okay. Shopping done. Oof. Oof. That is cool. That is very cool. Do you like them? So pleased with my tight turning there. I had to do an emergency brake there for the van coming along. Whoopsies, totally my fault. Just so busy concentrating on doing that very tight U-turn. Okay, filtering. So squeeze through here, easy. Squeeze past this. Maybe not this person. Maybe this person isn't squeezy enough. Yes, that's easy enough. Squeeze past them. Squeeze past that rider. There's the head node. Squeeze past the bus. Woohoo! Woo! And away! Woohoo! Gotta get squeezy. Woohoo! 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 Oh yeah! Go there. Nice. That was the tightest